Money is blank. What do you think?
Money is stressful.
Why is talking about money so taboo?
Did you know he had $70,000?
No.
How does that feel?
I don't really talk to people about my finances.
We never talk about finances.
Our monthly expenses right now are...
Oh, I don't know.
Most couples would rather talk about their sex lives than their financial lives.
I'm a planner. I order. I do
That makes
daily.
me want to gag.
I would lie about spending the money, so then it was an honesty thing.
I feel like he just keeps lying to me.
When I'm trying to calm her down when she's stressed, forget about it. It only brings more stress.
I know. I don't want to. Can I just take a moment, please? I need a moment.
I'm Misty Lynch, a certified financial planner and a certified life coach. Each week, I'll help one couple confront their financial struggles.
Like, say things continue the way they are. Where do you see your relationship going?
Not good. Yeah. Sorry.
Do you mind that he's the breadwinner?
Absolutely. Sorry, I can't even let you finish that question. I have this immense pressure. If I could earn more.
The only thing has been money.
I'm kind of at my rock bottom.
I'll give them 6 weeks to change the way they think about money.
You're right, I need to step up to the plate because I won't know if I don't try.
You gotta grow up.
Yeah.
Make sure that, like, you don't opt out of the relationship because you're not a financial powerhouse at this moment.
At this moment. I like that.
I'm really gonna make some life changes.
In a way, you kind of just de-stress money for me.
I kind of like reframed the way I was thinking about things.
This experience has changed our lives in so many ways.
We have a good future, and it's not out of grasp.
And then we can do what we want to do if we do what we have to do.